Have you ever wished you had a direct say in the future of a blockchain project you invest in? Well, that's exactly what governance staking is all about. It's your chance to move from being just a token holder to an active decision maker. Today, we're diving into the Newton protocol, specifically focusing on how you can participate in its staking and governance. The Newton protocol, powered by the Newt token, uses a system where token holders have power. Staking your Newt tokens doesn't just help secure the network and earn you rewards, it grants you voting power on critical protocol upgrades and parameter changes. This is the essence of a truly decentralized community. So, how do you jump in and start shaping the future of Newton? It all boils down to three simple phases: acquire, stake, and govern. Phase 1. Acquire. First, you need the Newt token. You can acquire Newt from various cryptocurrency exchanges that support the token. Once you have your tokens, you'll need a compatible wallet. Always prioritize a secure, non-custodial wallet where you control your private keys. Phase 2. Stake. Next, you move to the staking phase. The Newton protocol, like many proof-of-stake systems, relies on delegating your stake. You'll visit the official Newton protocol staking portal or dApp. This is where you'll connect your wallet and lock up your Newt tokens. In this process, you may choose to delegate your stake to a validator. Validators are the operators who secure the network, and by delegating to them, you are effectively giving them your voting power while earning a share of their staking rewards. It's a critical decision, so be sure to choose an active and reliable validator to avoid potential issues like slashing. Once your tokens are locked and delegated, you are officially a stakeholder. Phase 3. Govern. This is where the real fun begins. With your staked Newt, you gain the ability to participate in the on-chain governance process. Keep an eye on the official Newton Governance Forum and the Governance dApp for active proposals. A proposal could be anything from changing network fees to implementing new features or upgrading the core protocol. As a staker, you will use your voting power, which is directly proportional to the amount of Newt you have staked, to vote yes, no, or abstain on these proposals. By participating, you are directly influencing the development and economics of the entire ecosystem. Remember, governance is a continuous cycle. You need to stay informed, actively vote on proposals, and potentially even submit your own. Your engagement is what keeps the protocol decentralized and aligned with the community's best interests. By following these steps, acquire, stake, and govern, you become an integral part of the Newton protocol. You're not just investing in the project, you're steering it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.